The council people, because they are not willing to evict the non-tribal people, they say that they have got no power for settlement of land.
KAAC have no intention of evicting unauthorized settlers of PGR VGR areas. Retired IAS J I Kathar. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has come under scrutiny following a recent court judgment related to the eviction of unauthorized settlers in the PGR VGR area. All Party Hills Leaders Conference President, retired IAS J I Kathar, expressed his concern during a press meet at his residence today. The judgment, delivered by the Hon'ble Gauhati High Court on July 12, 2024, suspended the eviction order specifically for the 22 petitioners listed in the court's decision. Notably, during the hearing, the KAAC legal representative remained absent, leading to a postponement of the proceeding to August 5, 2024. Mr. Kathar criticized the KAAC apparent lack of interest in evicting unauthorized settlers. He questions whether the council was truly acting in the public interest or favoring the settlers. The ultimatum notice issued by the Assistant Revenue Officers, Donka Circle on July 11, further underscored the KAAC disregard for the demands of its constituents, who have faced significant challenges since the Keroni incident in February 2024. Recalling past incidents, Mr. Kathar highlighted the swift eviction of indigenous people during the Rongpangthar episode near 5 Kilo. Despite lacking a stay order from the High Court, the eviction proceeded promptly. He emphasized that the KAAC action often targets its own people, seemingly to demonstrate authority and place higher authorities.
Our present problem, which is being faced by everyone in Karbi Anglong, is that the PGR and VGR land have been encroached by non-tribal people at Keroni and in Uttar Borbil. There may be some other place also. We have been always demanding that the encroachers from Keroni, PGR VGR land and from Uttar Borbil, PGR VGR land must be evicted. The council people, because they are not willing to evict the non-tribal people, they say that they have got no power for settlement of land. But they already have power for settlement of land because the council has already adopted the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation, under which, under Rule 18, eviction can be done forthwith, even without notice. They can do it, but they issued order for eviction recently, but on the other hand, they also sent Sanjoy Bhagat and 21 others to the High Court to bring stay order in case number WPC 3524/2024. The Honorable Justice on 12 July 2024 made an order for stay of the eviction. The case will come up on August 5. Now the real problem is here. At paragraph 2 of the order, it is said, the learned senior counsel for the petitioners has submitted that the standing counsel of the KAAC representing the respondents number 4 to 7 was informed for listing of the matter today. None appears on call for the said respondents. It is again intriguing here. It's like this. KAAC counsel is representing on behalf of the petitioners. Petitioner number 4, Shiv Dayal Shah, Aru and Kailash Prasad Sahu, Bihari Ram Horijan, Bijoy Chauhan, all this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the petitioners for against eviction. The council, standing council of the KAAC is representing. It is very funny. But they did not attend the court on that day. They avoided the standing council of KAAC. They have not attended because the chief executive member Tuliram Ronghang is in charge. He has most likely, it is very clear that he has asked the standing council not to be present in the court. The standing council is present in the court, but he did not go to the real courtroom and gave the advantage to the petitioners to bring a stay order against eviction from PGR and VGR. This is what is happening. It is because the BJP wants that non-tribal people should come more and more to Karbi Anglong and the Mahasao, and so that they will always win election. But do you think they will always win election, these Karbi and tribes people, if the non-tribal people come more and more? We have seen in Hauraghat, non-tribal people are now majority, and Karbi people cannot win election there at all. In Kheroni constituency, non-tribal people are majority now, because they have come, most of them from Bihar, and now Karbi people cannot win election. Bukajan, non-tribal people are now majority, and so our tribal people cannot win election. At present, Khilonjia Ohomia has won, but now in Bukajan, Khilonjia Ohomia is also minority now. The majority people are from Bangladesh. If it happens like this, in the whole country, it will certainly happen, because in the meantime, the council has already allowed 10 constituencies to be open for all people. They say that open, even tribal people can also attend a contest. Yes, Hauraghat, also tribal people can contest. Kheroni also tribal people can contest. Bukajan also tribal people can contest, and they have contested. They have not won. They cannot win. So the whole of Karbi Anglong or the Mahasao also, the tribal people will not be able to win the election. This is the position. This is the plan of the BJP people. Therefore, until BJP is out from Karbi Anglong and the Mahasao, there is no protection for the tribal people. And now the case is coming on August 5th. We will be able to see whether the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council will send and oppose the case of Sanjoy Bhogot and 21 others or not. We will see to it this. We will see how they do it. The council has got the power to evict, and we demand that eviction must be done. This case must fail, because there is already case. Their order has already been passed by the Supreme Court. This petition is invalid according to us. Practically, it happened in 2021. the people of the villagers of Rongpangthir. It is the whole village. The council, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, evicted them. They went to High Court for stay order, but they could not get even stay order. The standing council of the of Autonomous Council did not help them. They could not win. They could not bring stay order, and the whole Karbi village was evicted without any hesitation by the Autonomous Council. Now also we see that Autonomous Council is very eager to evict the tribal people. Karbi and Kuki, Khasi people, they always are ready to evict. But non-tribal people, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council do not evict. Because the order is, judgment has already been passed by Supreme Court to evict from PGR and VGR land. So it would have been very easy for the standing council of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to oppose, not to pass any stay order. He could refer to the order of Supreme Court. Yes, especially if the encroachers are tribal, they would have evicted. But now they will not evict because they are not tribal people. Yes, vote bank. How long they will be vote bank? That everybody can understand now, because they will not remain vote bank, but they will be the king themselves. Tribal people will not be able to contest. Example is already there from Hauragat. Non-tribal people are majority. Now tribal people contested several times. No one can win. In Keroni, tribal people have contested, but non-tribal people are majority. So the non-tribal people vote for their non-tribal candidate only. In Hauragat also, the Bengali people vote only for the Bengali candidate only. And Keroni also, the Bihari people vote only for the Bihari candidate. They do not care about the other tribes. Yes, I believe, because we have seen everywhere. Now, why they are taking away autonomy from us? They have taken autonomy away from us now. Why? They cannot tolerate our progress. The government of India, especially the national parties, they cannot tolerate our progress. Most likely because of difference of race. I feel I understand it is difference of race, because we are all the tribes people of Northeast India, including Ahoms and others, even the Gurkhas. We are even the Adivasi Santhal people. They are all Mongolian people, and those people who are ruling us, they are Aryan people.
Looking ahead, Mr. Kathar asserted that the KAAC loyalty to its constituent would be tested during the next hearing. He warned that the ruling BJP government policies risk marginalizing tribal communities and facilitating immigrant influx. If this trend continues, indigenous tribes could become a minority, and the very council meant to protect their interests might fall under outsider control. News Desk Report, News Fast English News.